So hi guys, this is the beginning of quite an interesting series that I've received a lot of questions about how to interpret construction drawings. And I want to start with something that's hardly ever talked about, yet it's one of the most important parts of your drawing, the title block. Let's break it down together from the left-hand side all the way to the right. Starting at the top left, we have the logo and consultant's details. This shows the company or the individual who prepared the drawing. In our case, it's done by Civil Engineering Hub. This matters because it tells you who is responsible for the design, and it should always be someone qualified and recognized. Just next, we have the client information. Here you can see this project is for Mr. John Mwangi, and it is a proposed residential bungalow located on plot number 345, Kiambu County. This section answers three things: who the project is for, what type of building is being built, and where exactly it's being built. Now moving slightly to the right, we have the signatures, one for the client and one for the architect. These are important because they show that both parties have reviewed and approved the drawings. It makes the drawings official and valid for construction use. Next up, we have the drawing revisions section. This is where any updates to the drawing are recorded. So if a change is made later on, this is where you'll see the version history. It helps you to avoid working with outdated information. Just below it, we have the NB section, or where the important notes are noted. This part contains critical instructions that should never be ignored. For example, all dimensions are in millimeters. Don't scale directly from the drawing. Always use the given figures. Read this drawing together with all other consultants' drawings. As a contractor, always verify measurements on sites. Yeah, and many more. So these notes are there to protect both the designer and the contractor. So they are not just formalities, they are important. Next up, we have the technical drawing details. This includes the scale, which is 1:100, meaning 1 centimeter on paper equals to 1 meter on site. The date when the drawing was completed, who approved the drawing, in this case, Engineer Joyce Kanyiri, and who checked it. That is Harrison Pedro. So finally, you'll see the drawing title and number section. So for this one, it is titled ground floor with the drawing number A301.1, job number 4410 on sheet A3 and revision 0. This helps you to easily identify and recognize the drawing, especially when you're having multiple sheets in a full construction set. So before you jump into reading walls, doors, and measurements, always start with the title block. It tells you the story behind the drawing, who did it, when, what for, and how to use it. Stay tuned. In the next video, we'll dive into the layout, symbols, and how to interpret the architectural floor plan. Let's keep learning together. Thank you, and follow for more.